So the question says here, if two soap bubbles of a different radii are connected by tube, then दो soap bubble है जिसका radius different है, obviously एक smaller bubble होगा और एक larger bubble होगा. Air flows from a smaller bubble to the bigger bubble. Option A में बोल रहा है smaller bubble से bigger bubble में air flow होगा. Option B, air flows from bigger bubble to the smaller bubble till the size interchanged. Option C, air flows from the bigger bubble to the smaller bubble till the size become equal. And the option D is here. There is no flow of the air. There is no flow of the air. Now, for this here, you need to understand the key concept. The key concept is the excess pressure. Excess pressure inside a soap bubble is excess pressure soap के अंदर soap bubble के अंदर excess pressure inside a soap bubble inside the soap bubble is given by pressure is equal to 2t by r, 2t by r, where r is a radius. If outside pressure हम consider करते हैं p naught is plus 2t by r, from here it is clearly excess pressure inside the bubble is inversely proportional to the radius, is inversely proportional to the radius. Let's come to the next slide. Now आपको यहाँ पे one thing is clear, the excess pressure is inversely proportional to the radius. So you have a one larger bubble and you have a one smaller bubble. So larger bubble का radius, say for example capital R, और smaller bubble का radius भी small r. Now radius of the bubble, if it flows from the pressure inside smaller bubble is greater, यहाँ से आपको समझ में आ रहा है. So pressure inside the smaller bubble will be greater क्योंकि इसका radius ज़्यादा है. दिस इज अ स्मॉलर बबल का रेडियस कम है, स्मॉलर बबल का रेडियस कम है तो प्रेशर ज्यादा है. इट शोज दैट प्रेशर इनसाइड द स्मॉलर बबल विल बी ग्रेटर एज कंपेयर टू लार्जर बबल. लार्जर बबल के कंपैरिजन में स्मॉलर बबल का प्रेशर ज्यादा है. ओके, thus if two bubbles are connected by the tube, air will flow from higher pressure to the lower pressure, that is higher pressure is in the smaller bubble and lower pressure is in the bigger bubble or larger bubble at expense of smaller. Thus if two bubbles are connected, air flows from smaller bubble to the larger bubble or bigger bubble, smaller bubble to the big one, because of the higher pressure to lower pressure. हायर प्रेशर है स्मॉलर बबल में टू द लोअर प्रेशर. So the correct choice will be option A. Option A, that is air flows from the smaller bubble to the bigger one. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.